Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Samsung model and One UI version so features match the steps that follow. Once confirmed, make sure battery is at least 20% or plug in. Now open the Settings app and type Always on Display into the search bar. If nothing appears, navigate to Display manually. This gets you to the correct menu quickly and avoids wasting time toggling unrelated options. Follow these opening steps to reach the AOD controls. Once in the Always on Display menu, toggle the feature on and choose a schedule, either always or a timed show such as 30 seconds after tapping. Next, pick a clock style and any widgets you want, adjusting colors and layout for readability. Make sure to apply or save each change so settings persist. Also, configure brightness and whether music or notifications appear. These choices control battery impact and what information you'll see at a glance. To finish, lock the phone and confirm the Always on Display appears as configured. Test Tap to Show if you set that option. If AOD doesn't show, reboot the device and check that battery saver or power saving modes aren't blocking it, and allow AOD in dark mode exceptions. If problems persist, update your system software or reset AOD settings. Those steps resolve most conflicts. This ensures the feature runs reliably without draining more battery than expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.